Hi, this is Margaret with Florice, and I would like to introduce you to Lily. Lily is our highest compression tucking underwear and was specifically designed for trans femme customers looking for maximum support and security. This garment features a 3-layer construction with hemlines that are turned and stitched to prevent from showing underneath your clothing. The waistband is bonded and provides a secure and smooth hold around your hips. The most important feature of Lily is the mesh pocket to prevent slippage and gives an extra lightweight layer to prevent chafing. The fabrics are durable, moisture-wicking, breathable, and designed to move with your body. One of my favorite things about Lily is that it provides a secure tuck without tape, making it easy to take on and take off whenever needed, and the high compression makes it a reliable option on your most active days. Enjoy Lily!